Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change navigation buttons in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. These are all the navigation buttons. If you would like to change their positions and also if you would like to use gestures instead of buttons, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings. Then go to display, and here select navigation bar, and here you are seeing that navigation bar is set to buttons. Okay, if you click on more options, you will have change of order of the buttons. As of now, back button is on the right side. Here home button is in the middle, and recent tabs is in left side. Okay, if you would like to reverse the order, select second one so that back button goes to left side and recent tabs comes to right side. Home buttons unchanged. Okay, so to go back, I got to press in the left side now. Okay, if you would like to use swipe gestures instead of buttons, yes, you can do it. Just click on swipe gestures and you can use swipe gestures now. Okay, so to go back, you would what will you do? You can easily swipe from the side screen. See here, it will be going back. Okay, to go back, swipe once. Okay, from the left side screen also you can swipe. Okay, see here, it will go back. Okay, so to go home, swipe up in the bottom middle. Okay, this is to go to the home screen. To view the recent tabs, swipe up in the bottom middle and hold. This will give the what are all the tasks you have already opened, what are all the windows you have already opened. Okay, that is recent tabs. Okay, so in this way also you can change from buttons to gestures, that is swipe navigation in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Okay, suppose if you are in the swipe mode and if you would like to bring back to the button option, okay, what you have to do is just go to the settings again, go to settings, then go to display, and go to navigation bar, and here pick up buttons. Okay, also click on more options and set it to the default one, that is back button is on right side. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily customize navigation bar in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.